Hi everyone, welcome to another video that I would like to show another questions about the aggregations pipeline that we'll use in the MongoDB to analyze the data. As you all know, the pipeline will consist several stages, most likely 3 to 5 stages that perform different operations on the data we're using. So this is the questions, and the question requests to get the maximum policy cost and the aggregate total of sponsorships for each sponsor name, and only include the insurer fee that is greater than thousands, and project the output by only the sponsor name, the maximum policy cost, and the aggregate total sponsorship fields in the output. And lastly, we would need to sort the output based on the alphabet of the sponsor name. So in this questions, it would have 5 stages. So I would like to show each of the stage by using the MongoDB compass. So on this interface or window, I would like to start from the first stage. The insurer fee is filtered to only include the documents with a value that greater than thousands using the match operator, as you can see from here. And this will be the output that showing all the documents that fulfill this requirement, and it includes all the fields of the documents. So go to stage 2. The sponsor name field is separated into multiple documents using the unwinds operator, which allow the data to be grouped and analyzed based on each sponsor name. So you can see from here it is separated based on the sponsor's name. This is, and this is another sponsor. This is another sponsor. Okay, let's go to stage 3. In this stage, it groups the data by the sponsor name and calculates a new field, which is the maximum policy cost, and another one is the aggregate total sponsorships for each group using the group operator and the aggregations functions such as the max operator and the sums operator. So you can get groups, 5 groups in total, because we have 5 sponsor names in this collections. Okay, and it only shows the maximum policy cost and the aggregate total sponsorship that it is required a new calculated fields in this stage. So next, the 4th stage, it shows the output of the query. It shapes to only include the required field using the project operator. So do you still remember the questions? It requests for only the maximum policy cost, the aggregate total of sponsorships, and the sponsor name. So you can see from here that it's only showing the required field requested on the questions, and we're using the 1 to indicate like we want to show this field, and 0 to exclude the ID field. And final stage is stage 5, and we use the sort operator to sort the result based on the sponsor names. So in this case, it is follow the alphabetical arrangement. So as you can see here, so it start from the Yamiya, the Oslin, the Tembi, the Sky Blur, and Yodu. So this will be the final output that shows for these questions using the compass and 5 stages that use the match, the unwin, the group, project, sort, and some other operator, aggregations functions operator. Yeah, that's it. So lastly, you can choose to export the file by clicking on the export button, and allow us to export the file in JSON format and also the CSV format. Other than that, you can choose to export to another language, which include the Java, the C++, the Pythons, and the others, which allow you to use in another language for data analysis. So it's very useful to use the Mongo Compass to analyze your data. Thank you for listening.